Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today's video is a quick update on our DIY IBC Tote wicking beds. We built them about 3 weeks ago and planted seeds, and this is the progress so far. So as you can see, in not too much time, these beds can start to produce food. In that back corner there, that's spinach. I'll be harvesting the first of those leaves today for dinner. Also, this is lettuce, same thing. I'll be harvesting a few of the biggest leaves for dinner tonight for salad. We have cilantro here in this corner. That's still going to be a little ways away before I harvest that. I want it to get a little bit bigger, but it won't be long, probably within a week. And then here are carrots. And carrots take a lot longer. They're just going to have to wait until their roots grow big. So those are the long guys. Here, there, and everywhere, those tall, skinny ones that you see here are garlic. Let's see if I can get in close. These guys there are garlic that I transplanted out of the parkway in the front yard and put them here. They went into shock for about a day, but they've already perked up. They are also longer term. They'll be ready in the fall. But they started out as tiny little bulbs, so out of each one I'll get several more bulbs when they're ready to harvest. So all in all, this has been a fantastic bed. I haven't had to water it because we've been lucky enough to have spring rains come through, which all the plants just love, and that's been great. In fact, it rained last night. As a side note, this isn't a wicking bed, but what it is a in-ground garden, and I was able to use half of the cage from my IBC Tote as a cage to kind of keep animals out of the garden. And in it, I planted potatoes, fava beans, and then that big purple thing is a grocery store cabbage that I'm experimenting with. I rooted it out in water, and yesterday put it in before the rain started, put the roots in the soil, and planted it to see what happened and how it's going to do. But these are potatoes here. These guys. These are fava beans, which are so yummy. And this bed was also done 3 weeks ago, so you can see the amount of progress that gets made. It can actually be quite quick. All right, thanks for watching. I'll give you another update a little later as we get more progress done in the garden. If you want to see more videos, click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like our IBC Tote wicking beds. And leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll talk soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.